Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very different and unique tribal face paper mache pencil stand or pencil box. Isn't it very different and unique and beautiful also? So let's start with procedure. For this we need some acrylic colors, Shilpkar clay, some wooden beads, 6 number flat brush, 1 balloon, scissor, 1 talcum powder, tissue paper, fabric glue, liquid glue, 1 newspaper, 1 piece of iron net or any metallic net, jute string and cardboard. Here I am taking one bottle. The diameter of this bottle is 6 cm and I am wrapping this to make a ring. Here I am using 7 mm strip or you can use any size strip. We just need to make a ring. So just wrap it. Secure the end using glue. So the ring is ready. Similarly, I have created one more ring. Now take a balloon of your hand size. So I am using small size balloon. Add one ring on the top by adding glue, and similarly I will add other ring in the bottom by adding glue. Like this. Now here I have created some pieces of papers and I have created this glue by adding half quantity of liquid glue and half quantity of water. So I am starting doing paper mache. So just add glue in the base and then add paper piece and again add some glue on the top of this. So continue this process between two rings. Like this. So first coat is ready. Now for the second coat I am using pieces of tissue paper. I am using tissue paper for the second layer to differentiate the number of layers we are doing. So continue this process till the end. So I have added total 4 coat of paper and 4 coats of tissue paper. So in total I have coated this with 8 layers. Let it dry completely for at least 24 hours. So it's dry now. Now I'm pinching the balloon using paper pin or any pin. So automatically the balloon will get popped and your pot is done. It's very hard now. Now for the base of the pot or vase, I am using this cardboard. The diameter of this cardboard is 6 cm. Add glue in the base and connect this cardboard and let it dry. Now again I am doing little paper mache in the base by adding some small pieces of tissue paper. I am doing the same procedure. So it's done. Let it dry. Now I am taking the equal quantity of resin base and hardener from Shilpkar. Add little talcum powder in your hand and then just merge these two very well till you get only single color. Like this. Now take a half quantity of the clay. Just add little powder on the base And now make a drop shape and just spread this drop using your fingers or by rolling it through pen. So I'm just making the face first. Now add glue on the base of the pot or stand and connect this face. Spread it equally using your fingers. Cut excess part if any using paper cutter. Now take a iron net and I'm just making some texture on the face using this net like this. Now here I am making the nose, so again make a teardrop shape, roll it and add little glue and connect the nose. Now I am adding the lips. Take your cutter and make a lip shape. Similarly, I will do the same process with eyes. Like this. Now I am rolling one small string of clay to make nozzles like this. Similarly, I will make on other side. Now I am adding ears. For ears also I have created small teardrop shapes. Now I am adding earrings. So just add 2 balls of clay and make pattern using back side of the pen. Now I am adding the necklace by adding some balls and clay string. Now again making texture using back side of the pen like this. And paper cutter also. Now I am adding hairs. So just add 1 string of clay, cut excess and again make texture using paper cutter. Like this. Similarly, I have created one more face on the back side with the same process. Since this is very light weighted, so we need to make 2 faces, one in front and one in back. Now I am adding one more string on the top like this and making some design using paper cutter and pencil. Like this. So continue this process. So it's completely dry now, and now I will color this whole pot with black acrylic color. The Shilpkar clay needs at least 3 to 4 hours to get completely dry. So don't start coloring before it get dry. So color whole pot using black. So it's done now. I have color front and back sides and bottom and inside the pot using black acrylic color. Now I am taking the dry brush and using some green acrylic color and making some small strokes on the face to highlight the face features. Like this. Also I am using some lemon yellow color to highlight it little bit more. And now I am adding the same brush on the face also. Similarly I will do with backside face. Now I am taking one jute string and one wood bead. Insert the string through this, make a knot in the end, cut excess string and add little fabric glue to this. Now cut the excess string. Similarly, I have created 3 more strings. So in total we need 4 strings. Now I will add these strings to the pot. So just add fabric glue and connect these strings one by one. Here I have created 2 small and 2 large strings. Like this. Now add little fabric glue again and I am adding some mirrors to decorate this. Like this. Similarly I have added strings and mirrors on other side. So the pencil stand or vase or multi-purpose box is ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.